Thank you for choosing T-Rex Racing. We are a U.S. company headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We design and manufacture all of our own products. All of our stands, frame sliders, and engine guards are formed, welded, and painted by hand, and we always use the best material commercially available. Important: T-Rex Racing requires this product to be installed by a certified technician. Medium strength thread lock compound is highly recommended for use on all the bolts involved with the installation. All screws, bolts, and nuts need to be checked after driving the first 20 miles. Choose the correct torque wrench. For instance, if a torque wrench says 10 to 100 foot-pounds, trying to torque a 6mm bolt to 10 foot-pounds value would likely result in error or breakage. This is because most major manufacturers of click-type torque wrenches guarantee accuracy within 20% to 100% of their maximum range value, which means the aforementioned wrench would only work correctly between 20 and 100 foot-pounds. Therefore, the appropriate torque wrench range would be 10 to 50 foot-pounds, or ideally 5 to 30 foot-pounds. Before install. Remove the bolts by using the 13mm socket, 12mm wrench. Remove the bolt by using the 14mm socket, 14mm wrench. Install the bracket as shown by using the spacers, M8, M10 bolts. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm wrench. Install the bracket as shown by using the M8 bolts. Hand tighten the bolts at this point only. Install the left-hand side engine guard by using the 8mm bolts, 10mm bolts. Hand tighten the bolt at this point only. Install the right hand side engine guard by using the 8mm bolt, 10mm bolt. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds. Remove the bolt by using the 5mm hex key. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm socket. Install the left-hand side engine guard by using the 8mm bolts, 10mm bolts. Hand tighten the bolt at this point only. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm wrench. Remove the bolt by using the 8mm hex key. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm wrench. Install the right-hand side engine guard by using the 8mm bolts, 10mm bolts, 12mm bolts, spacers. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds. Tighten the M12 bolts to about 45 foot-pounds after install. If you have any questions or any suggestion for an improvement or an idea for a new product, please contact us at customer service at t-rex-racing.com or give us a call at 972-243-7868. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.